In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Zendesk API token. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. First, we need to navigate to the Admin Center. So start by logging into your Zendesk account. Once you're in, look for the product tray, which is that grid-shaped icon located at the top of your dashboard. When you find it, click on the icon and then select Admin Center from the drop-down menu. This is where we can manage all the settings for your Zendesk account. Now that you're in the Admin Center, let's move on to the next step, which is accessing the API settings. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Apps and Integrations. Go ahead and click on that, and then look for the option that says APIs. Once you've clicked on it, you'll need to select Zendesk API from the options that appear. Just a quick note here, don't look under the security section for this, because the location has recently been updated. Great! Now we're on the Zendesk API page. At the top, you'll see several tabs, and you want to click on the one marked API Tokens. This is where all the magic happens regarding tokens. Are you ready to generate a new token? Perfect. Click on the button that says Add API Token. After clicking it, you'll be prompted to enter a label or a description for your token. This label could be something easy to remember, like CRM sync or bot integration. Choose a name that will help you identify its purpose later on, as this will make managing your tokens much easier. After you've entered your label, Zendesk will automatically generate your new token. Now, here's a crucial step. You need to copy that token immediately. It's important to do this right away because it will only be displayed once, so take a moment to copy it so you don't lose it. I highly recommend that you save it in a secure location, like a password manager. This way, you can easily access it whenever you need it without risking any security issues. Once you've copied and stored it safely, it's time to finalize the process. Return to the page and click the Save button to activate your new token for use. That's it. You've successfully generated an API token for Zendesk. To recap, we logged into Zendesk, navigated to the Admin Center, accessed the API settings, opened the API Tokens tab, generated a new token, and then saved it securely. You're all set to use your new Zendesk API token. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching.